All right, guys. So in this video, I will be doing a live trade on US30. Y'all can see this candle here and tap this area. So we're gonna see. So personally, all right, because price broke right here. We're gonna see if it's pulling back or if that was liquidity. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I entered for the buy. Let's see this play out. All right, looking to take it up. Just because we literally came down top this area where a whole bunch of orders were sitting. Had a lot of momentum. So we're gonna see if price gonna shoot up and hit TP for me. All right. Look at that. Let's go. Let's see. This is the part where most panic and start to get out the trade. Like I said, I kind of like to think about it like, okay, if price is going against you and it already done hit your stop loss or going towards your stop loss, most traders will try to hold that trade and hold on to it and wish they had turned around. So when you're in profit, I feel like you should just breathe, relax. Of course, pay attention to the momentum in the candles. But at the same time, I feel like just let it go. The same way you wish and hope that a bad trader turn around, wish and hope that this go to your TP and keep going. You know what I'm saying? And don't panic. Just let it keep going. At this moment, I literally moved my stop loss to break even because we're now closer to TP. And if price do decide to come down, and the only thing that I lost was time instead of money. All right, but at the end of the day, we're looking, definitely liking this setup. If price shoot a little bit more past my entry, that's why I did a take profit too. I'm going to move my stop loss to my first take profit. All right, so I leave with what I came with, and if it keeps going, then I definitely just going to keep gaining. All right, that's how I go about it. But on some days, I just close it, take profit. I don't try to hold, and then you got to know what day you're trading in order to do that. So to me, Thursday is one of my strongest days, I swear. So we're gonna see. I definitely like that bounce off down there. off that area yesterday that price kept bouncing off of. So we came in there again. So that lets me know that that area is very strong. So we're going to see. Hopefully we can go 200 points on this trade. As y'all can see, man, TP is literally right there getting smacked. So paying attention to the momentum. If not, I'm finna get ready to grab. Okay. Now I'm finna get ready to grab. Because we are at that bank counter right there to the left. You can see it. But we also closed above that area right there at one point in time. So I'm gonna see if price gonna go back up there and test around that area. Got another little push. Let's see the momentum slowing down and we stepping out. If not, we holding this. Got some push in there. Let's get it. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. We got 200 points, we lit. We got 200 points, we lit. I could close some partials right here, but I'm just going to close the whole trade if it doesn't continue to push, which I feel like it is, but you just never know the market, guys. So let's see. Okay, so we got a small little wick up right here. All right, let's go check. Now, is this dangerous? Sometimes, yes. Once price hits your take profit, you can literally exit the trade. But when you see momentum in the market and it hits certain areas, then you can just hold it just a little bit longer. All right. So we got another candle coming in like a couple minutes. All right. 9:45 candle. So that's what I'm waiting on to see if it's gonna give us some more push. And like I say, remember, guys, when you're in profit, don't think like the trade is going against you because it's not. It's all a mental thing. See how more you can hold the trade. All right. See if you can hold the trade for longer. I know my max though. 200 points is my max, even though some days US30 shoot 3, 4, 500 points. All right. But for me personally, if it go up here and hit my second take profit target, I'm stepping out the trade personally. I don't want to hold no longer because TP1 was actually smacking right now. I'm gambling small portions of my profit to keep going. All right. So I know how much of my profit I want to give up, all right, during this time if it holds. So this next candle is coming out. If we break below, it's the wrong thing. All right, if we come below, I'm gonna set that right here. Give it some space. Now I step out of trade, but if we stay above that, then I hold. So we got one more minute before 9:45. All right. So as y'all can see, this zone right here is reacting that, but I don't know. We're gonna see if we can get past this zone. All right. TP was literally perfect. It was literally at that zone. So then we got this area right here. So 9:45, new candle. All right, we need to break above that up there. If not, we're stepping out. Always have your boundaries set. If it does this, what you gonna do? Sometimes it'll fake you out, but hey, as long as you leave with profit, see if we're gonna keep pushing or not. So we came down and wicked off of my boundary. So we're gonna see. So let's move this under now. Because now if it creates another little lower dip, and of course, but that was just a pullback, y'all. So we holding this trade. So 200 points. Cool. All right. It's only 947. I'm up a nice amount. All right. Big bank count over here. This big movement over here. Price literally came back down, tapped it. All right. And I took the candle, the next candle. All right. As soon as I seen bullish momentum, took that, and that trade, that counter right there happened to be another bank candle. So that's what I'm saying, guys. I'm looking for this to break a little bit more with momentum and then step out, because at some point it has to come back and retest these areas. Hey, and sometimes it keep going, but most of the time they pull back to these key areas. So that's why you see it fighting right here at this zone. But the only reason why I'm trying to see if it's going to keep pushing is, like I say, because we once broke above this area and closed above this area. So I want to see if it's going to do it again. Not. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually put my stop loss, or I'm going to actually set my stop loss. Keeps wicking off this little zone area that I marked up. That's why I put it right there. Mainly like halfway of the counter to the left, a little bit lower, but all right, y'all. So we can get another candle, a 950 candle. We are on the 5 minute. So hopefully we can get this push that we need. We got a little bit more momentum, guys. So let's do it. We pushing. I'm kind of trying to just see, are we going to break again, break back above this area? The momentum is definitely there. We just need it to go. All right. 10 o'clock is right around the corner. Then we got another 5 minute candle right around the corner, 955, guys. So let's see if 955 is going to give us that push that we need. All right. If 945 is going to get us that push that we need. So we actually closed above slightly. All right, then we got two. Let's see. So remember, my boundary is all the way up here. So we've been moving up literally slightly. So I'm not worried at the moment. All right. Not worried at the moment because my boundary is all the way down there. Now, if it just drop down there from up there, then cool. Yeah. But we've been moving up slightly. Everything is mental, guys. Everything is mental as far as getting out of a trade, getting in a trade. You know what I'm saying? During the trade, everything. Gotta just know what you're gonna do if the market does certain things. Okay. So this little area we are reacting to, but we're still bullish. All right. So I don't feel like it's gonna stop right here. And if it does, then this is a very strong area. All right. So we just have to see. That we are breaking. We are breaking. As I can see, that TP1 definitely was a nice trade. That first trade definitely was a nice trade. We heading towards 200 points. All right. Heading towards 200 points. Now, if we move this right here, let's say I want to take another trade right here. That would be a nice area. See y'all. Still got these 200 points sitting from right there. Once we hit up there, I'm good. We pushing, y'all. We definitely pushing. If we get past that little black line up there, that area, then that momentum is super strong. If not, it may react right there. Y'all can see, man, it's been a nice trade so far. I'm still in that trade from all the way at the bottom. All right. Literally pushing up towards 200 points, guys. If we break past this little barrier that I got right here with that wick, then I will be loving this trade even more. All right. Definitely feel like we got momentum. Pushing, guys. Pushing, pushing, pushing. Let's go. A little bit more push past this area. This was a perfect trade. Sniper entry all the way from the bottom. All right. And I'm just looking to see if this trade is going to go. All right. So as I see, price literally came back, retested the area that it broke, and hopefully we get some more momentum to just keep pushing up. And then once again, I will be stepping out of this trade. You gotta know, guys, when you're in the trade, all right, you gotta have some type of goal that you're pushing for. Because if not, a winning trade can literally turn into a losing trade, no cap. So for me, I still got my boundaries and I got my stop loss set in profit instead of break even because it just literally blessed me with too much to see, all right, as far as profit. So why would I set it at break even at this point when I can leave with a nice decent amount whether it comes down to a certain point or not. Um so we're gonna see y'all if we bounce back up off of this area, continue to push, or if it's gonna pull back. Hopefully we get this push up. All right, turn this little area into a demand area, and then we out the trade and let the market do what it do. I like the wick offs. Like that bullish push from right there. Let's get it. Let's get it. Guys, this entry from down here, it's eating. All right. Almost at the 200 point mark. Let's fucking go. Let's go. A little bit momentum, guys. Let's go, man. We almost there. We almost lit. The flight is gonna go. Nice bank counter. All right. Keep pushing. Let's go. Once we get up there, I'm stepping out the trade. Some may say that's crazy because we will be creating a new high. I just have certain points that I go for. Once I hit a certain amount of points, I know, okay, it's time to go ahead and step out because, hey, market don't just go and go forever. Well, for me personally, I'm not a swing trader, so I'm at claims. It's less. Hell yeah. And that's another thing, y'all. I forgot to even check the news this morning. So this was just pure price action. So this is definitely in my favor. So now I feel even better about the trade. But hey, we still gotta watch and see if this is going to go. Give me a little bit of push. Yes, I could have been exit this trade. All right, but that's not how my mind is set. My mind is to get the job done, all right, by all means. And yes, sometimes you do have to close early just to protect the account. But, you know, you just gotta learn how to fight these battles in order to see your trades play out. Because if not, you're just gonna continue the cycle of getting out early, getting out early, getting out early. You know what I'm saying? And not seeing the other side for it. So as I can see, man, we bust through there. All right, bust through there. Let's fucking go. I love it. Love it. That be pushing. That be pushing too. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna just go ahead and step out. All right, that hit TP. Came down just a little bit. All right, I'm good with that. That was a nice, beautiful trade. Also finna close out on, let me see, I had a couple accounts running. Grab that one. Nice, beautiful trades, y'all. Beautiful trade. Beautiful trade. Beautiful trade. Let's see what I want to do with this. I'm gonna grab this as well. Boom. All right, what do I want to do with this? I'm gonna grab these as well. All right, y'all. As y'all can see, man, hey, we went crazy. All right, went crazy, went crazy, went crazy. I'm done. All right, you gotta learn how to just be done. I'm finna go enjoy the rest of my day. So if you like this type of content, don't forget to click that notification bell and don't forget to subscribe. Other than that, out.